Uh, can you give some examples from the book Mastery?
Mastery?
Yes.
Mastery by Robert Greene.
Yes.
Uh, Very fat book. I mean, Robert Greene is one of my favorite authors, and he has some whatever the topic that he picks up, an in-depth analysis, right from 5,000 years of history. The examples are given across the eras, AD, BC, वहाँ के सब examples रहते हैं. Uh, as you said, how to find a purpose, not for the day but for the life. He says, go back to your childhood inclinations. Okay, Charles Darwin had a childhood inclination during when he was a child. He was very obsessed with natural things. He used to spend hours in gardens, meticulously monitoring those tiny insects. I mean, as a child, very few children must be so curious. So he had this natural inclination. So find out, ask your parents, your friends, what was that where I used to get lost in that activity. I used to lose track of time. I used to forget hunger and thirst. And mom, you had to pull me out of that activity forcibly. ऐसा क्या था? Let me know. Help me. Mostly those are the skills, if honed properly with proper training and monitoring, can become your life tasks in the form of a profession or a mission like mine, right? So that was my inclination. I used to love to explain things. You know, I used to love my homework. Can you believe, as a child, I used to love homework because homework used to give me an opportunity to express myself in my own words. My elder brother used to encourage me to write the answers of the questions based on the lessons in your own words. Don't copy paste from the textbook or from that ready-made guides. Guides मिलते थे हमको. दोस्त लोग गाइड यूज करते थे जहाँ पे रेडीमेड आंसर्स मिलते थे. My brother used to warn me, never buy a guide and write your own answers in your own words. They may not be perfect or flashy. You can use your average words. That's absolutely fine. But writing in your own words is very important. And I started finding joy because it became a medium of expression for me. And you see, the first book of my life, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective Readers, amazing response. And I was wondering that how come usually the authors get good response after writing few books? You take any legendary author, whether it is J.K. Rowling or Chetan Bhagat, neither of their first book was a hit. And I was wondering, I just wrote my first book, and how come not a single negative feedback? Then I realized this is not my first book, this is my 100th book. I've been writing in my own words since first grade. And that's why it has improved over a period of so many years of my academic writing. I thoroughly enjoy writing.
So that was your small win when you used to write your own answers. So that used to express your own thoughts. I mean towards you and towards your teachers.
Right,
And
right.
as a result of this, in 2016, decision making meeting. And sir, trust me, sir, when I went back, after ending the first meeting with you on 2nd June at around 12:30. So mean, I started talking to my father about the same thing. You know, and you say we should start discussing these things within 24 to 48 hours. And it did not even take that much time for me.
Wonderful.